Teaching life cycle assessment at Harvard has been a wonderful opportunity. We've had amazing students every year, and the chance to interact with and foster the development of LCA skills and understanding in a group of 60 to 80 amazing professionals has been a privilege. But by the same token, 80 is relatively a small number compared to the need out there and the hunger, the appetite for learning life cycle assessment. So I know that the need is just way bigger than me or any group of professors working in universities right now are able to meet. And so for that reason, I've been looking for other ways to provide LCA learning capability, training opportunities to students around the world.